Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blur someone's face for their privacy. So copy and paste your video. You can pixelate it by going to effects and going to body effects. They have like this pixelated one, which is the face mosaic one, which you can just add on to the image and it's going to blur it out themselves. Or if you just want like a blur, you're just going to want to copy and paste it. Go to effects, go to video effects and search for blur. And then you're just going to add it on the, hold on, I searched it here. Okay, and then you're just going to place it on the overlay and adjust the blur a little bit. Select the video, get a mask and select circle. And you're just going to place it on the person's face only and feather it out a little bit. If it moves, just add a keyframe and move the mask wherever the face goes. But I think the other video effect is easier if you want to blur out a lot of faces. For instance, you're videoing something and there are just a lot in the background and you just want to blur it out, you can do that. Or you can do this. That's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.